Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Naperville, Illinois with Pulte Homes, taking a look at the Columbia Park Towns community. We're going to be taking a look at the Metro Plan. Let's get started.
Homes located minutes from downtown Naperville and the train station. Plus, there's a super cute park down the street with a playground. The home we're going to be touring today is our Metro floor plan. Beautiful open concept. This home starts at 2,185 square feet and features 2 master suites, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. To get started, we're going to show you our beautiful open gathering room. Lots of natural light. These windows are Gold Star rated, Simonton double pane, single hung windows, so you never have to worry about sagging or air getting in through the top there. Plus, they block UV rays, so you don't have to worry about your furniture fading either. Moving on into our cafe dining room area, there's plenty of space here for a large table. Deep double basin sink as well as upgraded backsplash. My favorite feature of this is the built-in bookshelf on the island. This would be a great place to store cookbooks or little knickknacks like they have here. Moving through your kitchen, you have access to a beautiful deck. This community is maintenance free, so this deck is maintained for you. And right down the street over there is the park I mentioned earlier. And if you'll notice, we've put beautiful engineered hardwood flooring throughout the home. Gives it a really luxurious feel, super easy to keep clean. Around the corner here, we have a large pantry, as well as a powder room. So when you have guests over, they don't need to go up or down stairs. They can easily access it from this floor. Now we'll move on up to our bedroom level of the home. This home normally comes with 3 bedrooms, but we are showing an upgrade here for 2 master suites. To our left here will be the first master suite. This room has a great feature here with these cutouts by the window. Definitely enough room for a king-size bed. And this area would be great for having your coffee in the morning or reading a book. It's set up very nicely. Moving along, we have a very large walk-in closet on the side of the room. Plenty of space for built-ins if you decide to add those in the future. And then moving along, we have our bathroom. This bathroom features our standard quartz countertops, as well as upgraded cabinets to match the kitchen and upgraded tile flooring throughout. With a walk-in shower. Now moving through to the hallway, we have 2 linen closets on either side, so lots of storage. But the best part is the laundry rooms up here. So no more carrying your laundry up and down the stairs. You can conveniently access it just steps away from your closet. And here is your other master suite. What's great about this room is it's an end unit, so you get those 2 extra windows on either side of the headboard, which allows for a lot of natural light. Another great feature is since we're on the 3rd floor, you have beautiful sweeping views of the surrounding community. And then moving on, we've got your bathroom over here. In In this bathroom, we've upgraded to a frameless shower. Very sleek and modern, easy to clean, as well as upgraded tiles on the shower floor and wall. Plus, I love this flooring because it looks like wood, but it's actually tile. And then we've got another luxurious large walk-in closet. And now we'll move on to the lower level of the home to see our game room. Another great feature of this community is that it's located in School District 203, which features Naperville North High School. Naperville North High School was recently rated #1 in the country. We also have really cool access to a service called Tuk Tuk, and that's basically an electric golf cart that will come pick you up and take you anywhere within the downtown Naperville area, and it's very inexpensive. And once again, here is our beautiful open concept main living space. We're showcasing railings here, but if you like a little bit more privacy, we can also do a half wall. So heading down here, this is your entry level, same level that your garage is on. A couple of great ideas for this space. You can have it set up as an additional living area like we have here. You could do a gym, an office, a playroom. There's even an option to make this a bedroom with a full bath. So if you have someone that needs first floor access, we can make this work for them. And then back this way, you have the door that leads to your patio. All of your landscaping is also taken care of, so all you need to do is go outside and enjoy the view. And then through here, we have more storage, as well as a powder room. If you did the bedroom option, this is where your full bath would go. And this door here normally leads into the garage. We have 2-car garages here. They feature an additional storage space as well as access to your utilities. So that concludes our tour of the Metro floor plan. We'd love to see you and hear from you. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We've been building homes for 65 years and we'd love to build yours next. See you soon.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcase.